What's good? What's good? Thank you for joining me back here on UX Together. I'm John, and today we're going to be walking you through what user experience is. User experience, which is commonly abbreviated as just UX, is the overall experience that a person has when they are using a product, such as a website or a mobile application, especially in terms of how easy it is and how pleasing it is to use. UX plays a very important role in everything that we interact with on a daily basis, especially in technology. Think about all the apps that you interact with on a daily basis, like Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. All these companies have invested a ton of money and resources into user experience to make sure that people like me and you continue to use their product. The people behind designing these experiences for the users are called user experience designers. The UX designer's job is to understand the user's needs, align them with the business goals, and craft a solution that can be developed by a development team. For this reason, UX designers benefit from having a wide variety of knowledge like marketing, business, software development, and visual design. And even though UX designers do work with the visual aspects of a website, you should be sure not to confuse this with a UI designer, which is a user interface designer, which focuses strictly on those visual elements on the page. UX designers focus a lot on those invisible design aspects like user flows, customer journeys, and user research. Thousands of companies have job postings for UX designers, but honestly, not a lot of them know what UX designers are supposed to do. Many of them assume that UX designers are just UI designers and just create the visual aspects of the design. However, they don't really understand that UX designers need research and structure like UX architecture to make sure that they're crafting the best possible solution. Depending on the size of a company, the UX designer can be responsible for gathering the business requirements, conducting research, analyzing research, and designing the solution in a tool like Figma. However, if you're hired onto a large company, they may have separate people doing UX research, UX architecture, UX strategy, and you might be able to focus more on those visual design aspects. With technology becoming more prevalent and important in our everyday society, there will continue to be thousands of job openings for UX designers, researchers, and architects. There are a lot of different ways that you can become a UX designer, like boot camps and even college degrees. A lot of people, like me, just taught themselves UX online through YouTube and a variety of online courses. That's why I created this channel, to give you all the information that I would have liked to have before I started that journey, and hopefully it can be helpful to you. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about what user experience is, and if you want to continue to learn more, please consider subscribing, and I'll be posting weekly videos to teach you as much as I can about breaking into UX.